Hi guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. So today's kind of like a, not like a chilled one, but I'm gonna get some Christmas decorations because I've got a fully formed Christmas tree and I just literally put in my Facebook group, where do I get Christmas decorations from? And everyone was like, cause I was gonna go to this place called Canary Wharf in London, but someone was like, they sell them in like, well my friend Tasia was like, go to Wilko or like Tesco because Canary Wharf is a bit long. The only reason I wanted to go there is because the Waitrose there had these really nice bubbles. So I don't know if I'm gonna go there because it's a bit of a trek. So then I need to do that, and then I also need to grab some like bits and stuff like toothpaste, shower gel, moisturizer. I'm using this one by Chanel. I've used it before in a video. It's called the Camella Water Cream. It's good if you've got oily skin, just use that. So I'm gonna get ready. I was actually gonna film, well, it should have gone out with times this goes up. I was gonna film a gift guide. So I'm actually filming this video a day before, guys, not the same day. So I was gonna film a video, Christmas gift guide. I'm not too sure when I have time because I was gonna go on live on Instagram. I'm literally breaking out here, can you see? Like, I'm not sure it's the Durags, but this looks disgusting. I'm breaking out there as well. I think it might be the Durags because before my skin was so flipping good. I'm gonna put SPF, even though it's almost dark outside. This SPF by Bondi Sands. I only started using it because I saw my friend Yushay. Oh shit, I put too much on. Speaking about it, it's a 50. Ooh, the blends in actually really quick. It's actually a really good SPF. It's only like £7. I think it's gonna look fantastic. Beauty bay and stuff, so put some on my neck. Don't forget the neck, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and get ready to get some bubbles and stuff and get some, actually there's a Christmas market literally not too far from me, which I wanna check out as well. So my hair isn't done, but who cares? Who am I gonna shoe? SPF is beautiful. Okay, let me get ready and let's go. Ooh, that ass.
What I would suggest that you do is keep your wig on.
Okay, I'm gonna put on these Izzy Miyake pants, which are so flipping cute. Oh my body looks good, bitch. And then I'm gonna put on this Kith hoodie. Oh, where's Kith? Yeah, I actually bought this when me and my friend Danny went to LA. And it's, I'm not gonna lie, I'm sure this hoodie was like £100, but honestly, it's probably one of the best, shit my hair, quality hoodies I've ever bought. Like, it's just so thick. I've had it for like maybe a year now or 2 years, and I've washed it and it's just, it just hasn't shrunk, and it's just so flipping gorge. What jacket do I want to wear? Ooh, I haven't worn this for a while actually. I actually got this in LA too, but I got this like 2 years ago. This is from, what's the brand called again? Joy Rich. I feel like I need a bit of more length, but it is a nice jacket though. No, I could wear this, to be honest. It's fine, let's wear this. I'll put it back on. I've actually bought this time ago and I've only worn it like for a shoot once, so I put my vlogging camera in here. Actually, my vlogging camera won't fit in here. Let's just bring the body. So this is my outfit. Ready, bitches. Okay, I'll check you guys in a bit. So I'm just out, oh my God. So I'm gonna go to a Christmas market near me and yeah, hopefully it's cute. If not, I'm just gonna go to a shop called Wilko to get, oh my God, that dog shit, to get some Christmas decorations because I'm not looking to blow a bag on this, but let me put my mask on because people are already looking at me weird, which I'm nowhere near anyone. Oh my God, there's a concierge that told me off. If you know, you know. Okay, I'll check you guys in a moment. Just around this Christmas market, I can see wine, I can see salami. I can't really see any decorations though. I can see oils. I look so flipping rough today. Okay, it's a bit random here, but I might get some wine because I really want some wine for tonight for the verses. But child, this is literally so close to me. Guys, how cute is this? So you know I came out to get bubbles.
We have a lot of them. done by local artists.
These are so nice.
Yeah, we have.
So they're done by local artists. Okay, so I literally just finished from that Christmas market. It was so flipping cute. I'm glad it actually came out. They literally had so much stuff. The bubbles weren't that expensive actually, and it's actually really good to smaller businesses, because the guy was just saying how like the Covent Garden market isn't as open because it's a bit too big. So it's actually really good. So I bought a few because they were only like £3, some were £8, and I got one as a gift for someone. So cute. This Christmas market was huge. So I'm going to Boots. I should have bought my camera stand because me holding this camera, it feels so freaking weak. If I drop this camera, I would actually die. But I thought, oh, my cheeks are popping. When I walked in, the girl was like, oh, like, really like your makeup. I was like, babe, I don't have any makeup on. Like, you not see this forehead? It's literally doing the nay-nay on my flipping head. But, oh, God, I bought some wine as well. That wine better be nice, otherwise I'm gonna sue that bitch. Period. So I'm just in Pound Structure. I'm looking... I've actually never been in Pound Structure before. Ooh. I'm gonna try and find some Christmas decorations. I just got in. Oh my God. Outside was crazy. I met one of like my subscribers. Like, she was in the shop while I was looking for the Christmas lights. Yeah, I forgot how much I like this first. She said hello, but it's so hard when I see you guys and I've got a mask on, and I had so many bags in my hand because I need to return some lights actually, but I couldn't be asked to go in the shop because of the queue. Yeah, she said, hey, with her family, and I went to this amazing, basically we've got a Facebook group for our building, yeah? And a lot of people are like, oh my God, go to Pizza Squad, they have the best. They're like traditional Italian, they come from Italian, like Italy, I'll just say they come from Italian. And they were making these banging pizzas, even though I shouldn't probably eat it, but child, let me just try some. So this is what it looks like. They didn't have any pineapple. I was very upset. You guys know I love pineapple on pizza. And I didn't even get to run to Marks and Spencer because I want to get some snacks for Ashanti and Keisha Cole. I got some wine as well from the store. Parum. This one here. The woman said it was like a sweet, and it had chocolate notes. So I thought it might be like Jimmy Yellowtail Bread Roux. And I got this one. This is a Moscato. Ooh, this sounds amazing. And she gave me a card as well, so they do free delivery to my area. So, where's her card? Wait, they're called Saletto Food and Wine. So if you are in the London area, I'll let you know how it is before though. So you'll probably see that like later on today. But if it's not nice, I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, I'm gonna carry on finishing this pizza, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I'm so freaking annoyed. So imagine, yeah, I've literally tied up my place because Tasia was supposed to come round and we're gonna watch flipping Ashanti versus Keisha Cole. Why has Ashanti said 3 hours beforehand that she can't come because she's got COVID, but someone said that she was on holiday, and it's just like, what the hell is actually freaking going on? Like, I'm actually so freaking annoyed. I bought snacks and everything. So I'm gonna do, because if it isn't happening, Tasia's not gonna come over because we're supposed to be meeting tomorrow anyway. So I'll probably see her tomorrow, but if it does happen, let me see what they're saying anyway. I literally just washed some bed sheets that I got. Baby, 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 baby. Ashanti, you weak. Just joking.
Hey, Queen. Girl, you have done it again.
Hey y'all, I can't believe I'm saying this. I tested positive for COVID-19. I'm okay, not in any pain. I'm actually down to do that versus for my house. We're trying to figure it out. No. Oh no, okay. I'm gonna carry on tidying up, guys, and I'll probably check it a bit later if not. That's a bit annoying. I really wanted to set up my tree. I was gonna ask Tasia to help me set up my tree when she got here, because I thought it'd been fun if both of us could do it. But it's fine, I'm gonna just do it myself because there's no point her coming all the way here if we're gonna see each other tomorrow anyway, so. Well, I forgot fantasy. I actually hate these wine bottles where you have to use flipping a corkscrew driver. I always feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay, we're gonna do this tree because Tasia isn't coming over anymore. But I am meeting her tomorrow. We're going into Central because we both need to get Christmas presents. Oh my god, I'm not sure if anyone watched my Sip and Slay. But remember how I spoke about Kerry Hilson being pregnant? I don't think she's actually pregnant. I think it's just for... Ow. This better be fucking nice because Ashanti isn't performing tonight. Neither is Keisha Cole, so... It's alright. Anyway, let's decorate this tree. Look at my friend Lynn got me. She got me a flipping stripper pot. I need to install this. I'm just wondering if I don't want to hurt myself. So I'm definitely gonna install it. I might install it in my beauty room. Screw pole parts together and extend to your ceiling height. I'm definitely gonna install this one of the days. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my god, this is like, it's like falling apart. It's like a real tree. Oh my god, I need to get the Hoover. Let me get. I've got any scissors. Ah!
You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not embarrassed?
All this tree is beautiful. Oh, it's so cute. Look how much mess is on the floor. I need to quickly tidy up. Shit, this tree's huge. Does it look? I feel like it looks overpowering here. Do you guys get what I mean? I feel like there's nowhere else to put it though. Okay, let me just try and hoover some stuff up and I'll tune back in where we're gonna decorate. Okay, so we're gonna begin decorating. I'm not sure if we should put lights on first. I bought lights from, I definitely haven't got enough of these. I got white and gold because I think white and gold is so pretty. I got some bubbles. I think I should do the lights first. And literally, Tasia just literally showed me her tree and it's so cute. And it already comes with the bubbles on, so I'm gonna put the lights on now. Ooh, these are 100 multicolored chasing lights. I've actually never decorated a Christmas tree before. Like it's really weird. I've never done it. My nan used to do it, and then she just always used to have it ready. I've never done a Christmas tree, which is so weird. In all the years I've been living, I've never decorated a Christmas tree, which I find really strange, but guess there's a first time for everything. Oh my god, how do I do this? Oh my god. Shit, it's getting tangled. So, my lights are on. Can you guys see, like, why am I putting on lights so flipping hard? Like, who even... Oh. No, this is hella cute. This is cute. Can you guys see? Let me turn off the lights. Can you see? Oh. Even though it looks a bit hood, it doesn't look bad. I think, child, you know what? I'm a boss bitch.
Just he can never not be gay for 5 seconds. I'm just like, can you not be gay for 5 minutes?
I feel like I need more lights, but it's fine. I don't care. I'm honestly over it. Over it. Like, it looks so cute. Okay. Let's do some gold. This is the first time we decorate a tree, so no one come for me. This looks so ghetto. Ciao, anyways. Oh my god, this is actually kind of fun, but at the same time, how does one do this? Make the stretch. I didn't expect this tree to be so big. Like, sis, this one is beautiful. This is why I need to be a housewife, so my husband can just get someone to do this for me, because I am a lady of leisure and I should not be doing this. Let's add some up here to give it a bit more of dynamic. So I literally got a call. It was the concierge, because what did I book? I booked something for me and Tasia to watch Versus in my cinema room. But hold on, obviously Tasia's not coming anymore, so I bought this bauble. These are from Covent Garden Gifts, and they were in my local market today. How beautiful is this? He hand paints them, he's a small business, and yeah, I just wanted to get one because why not? Like, it's my first Christmas. Where should I put this? It needs to be somewhere popping. I might move this one so this one can go down. Ooh, you can tell these are expensive because they hang really heavily. If you guys could see how much flipping glitter is on my hands. You guys would die. Guys, you guys are gonna die. Look at this one I got. This is also from the Covent Garden guy. He actually gave me a little deal. How cute is this? This is so cute. Ah, look at that. It's so flipping cheesy, but you know, it's so veg. So veg. This needs to be the star of the show. So I think he should be there. Oh, hold on. I think it needs to be here because she's a thick. Asia says she doesn't like the gold tinsel, bitch. I'm joking. So these are the ones that brands have given me. So this one's from Vichy. This one's from Elizabeth Arden. I'm sure I've got one more somewhere. And this one is from Ariana Grande fragrance. I'm actually sure I've got another one that says Gary. This one's from Selfridges. I think it's expensive. Okay, we need to give this one its own moment. Oh my god, that was fucking glass. Oh. Oh my god. I'm actually crying. You would have seen the bubble smashed. I'm super upset, but the tree isn't finished. I still need more tinsel because my ass only bought 2 tinsels because I didn't think the tree was gonna be this big. So it's time to put the star. Ooh. Imagine a tree fell on me. Oh my god, why can't I put this? Oh, are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to cut that piece off because it's doing too much. This tree's testing me today. You guys see that? It doesn't even look good. Why is it so high? Oh, it needs to be, I need to cut that a bit. Wait, 1 second, I'm gonna cut this off. Semi-finally done, but that's a start. I need to get more tinsel, as I said, more bubbles, more this stuff. But I kind of cut the top of the tree. This tree is from Fantastic Services. They lent it to me for maybe a month. And they come and pick it up, so I won't throw it away or anything. They'll come and pick it up and it'll be used again, I think. So let me show you what it looks like with the lights turned off. My place, so messy. Let's have the lights for you. Oh, pretty! Percocet. Molly Percocet. Hey, Percocet. How cute is it? Oh my god, I did that. I created the tree. I did that. Period. It's so pretty. Look at the star. Mary of Bethlehem. Bethlehem. My battery's about to go. That's a mess. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching this vlog. The tree's up, my battery's about to die. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll keep speaking until it goes. Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching Vlogmas. Doing that tree was a madness. And I hope to see you this week. I was not only going to do 12 days of Vlogmas, but I'll continue to how much I can do. Like, I'm not going to kill myself, but you know, it is what it is. I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful Sunday. Bye.